Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're new and viewing for the first time, we would like to say welcome. We would love to have you as part of the Elegance family. We would love it if you would hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you would be notified every time we post a new video. This is the month of October and you know this is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. We are making breast cancer awareness snowmen for the holidays, and if this is a project you think you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching. This is an upcycled fishbowl that we have upcycled, and we are painting it white and we are going to glitter it. We did one set off camera and we are doing this set on camera. All materials that we are using here today will be linked in the description bar below this video. We are now cutting the material to make the snowman's hat. We're just using a spool from ribbon, and you can use whatever you choose to use to form your hat. We are Mod Podging the spool, and now we are going to cover it in the material. Tucking the material inside of the spool so that it can adhere to the spool. Once you get it tucked, you're going to let it set for about 15 minutes, and then you will untuck it and you will secure it with more Mod Podge. We trimmed off about 1 inch of material just so that it would be easier to tuck. We did lose footage of the bottom part of the snowman's hat, so we inserted a video to show you just how easy it was to make the bottom part of the hat. We used a round piece of wood and we just cut out the pattern and we Mod Podged both sides and let it dry for about 30 minutes to an hour, and then we began to work on the top of the snowman's hat. We completed the tying of the ribbon through the Cancer Awareness sign off camera, but we wanted to show you how easy it was to put the ribbon through the Cancer Awareness sign, just in case you were wondering. We are now cutting the material to make the snowman scarf. We are adding limbs to the snowman. You don't have to do it. This part is optional. We just think it's adorable. We are now going to assemble the snowman. This part is optional. We did place a light inside of one of the snowman scarf just to give you an idea, just in case you decide you would like to place a light in your snowman. This does complete our tutorial for today, and if you like this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so at this time so you can receive all notifications every time we post a new video. Until next time, may God bless you and keep you, and we will see you on the next video. Bye.